Hello, I'm Brock Cummings. I'm an orthopedic surgeon who specializes in hip and knee replacements, and I'd like to talk to you today briefly about safety at home and specifically fall prevention. The environment of the house can be a little prone for causing falls. One of the things that we like you to do is go through the house and look for landmines that could cause you to trip and fall. Specifically clutter that's around the margins of your walking areas, or extension cords that tend to creep away from walls and can trip you up as you walk by. Throw rugs are particularly problematic. Those can be troublesome in a couple of ways. Sometimes the edges of the throw rugs tend to curl up and it can cause you to trip and fall. Other times, if they are on a hard surface without the appropriate backing, throw rugs can then become rather slippery. So we recommend either removing throw rugs or making sure that they are appropriately anchored down with the appropriate backing or double-sided tape. Lighting is also important and can contribute to falling. We certainly recommend that you have night lights in your bedroom and in the hallways. Stairs are especially important to be extremely well lit. It can be difficult to see where the top of the landing ends and the first step begins if the surfaces are of the same material, such as the same carpet or the same hardwood. So make sure that the stairs are very well lit. Grab bars or handrails are also important additions to the house that can help you prevent falling. Areas that are particularly at risk are the bathroom, getting in and out of the shower, or particularly if you have a tub shower and you have to step over the edge of the tub. Putting grab bars in the shower can help prevent falls, as well as having them near the toilet so that you can help yourself pull up if needed. Stairways certainly should have handrails, and preferably on both sides if there are walls on both sides of the stairs. Frequent cause of falling is getting up in the night, and the more often you have to get up during the night, the higher your risk of falling. So we recommend limiting the amount of liquids you drink for the hour or two before going to bed. And lastly, we've got little saboteurs in our houses called pets. Knowing their habits, knowing where they like to lie down. Sometimes that's right behind your feet when you're at the sink, or it can be at the end of the bed, and in the middle of the night you can stumble over them. Some dogs are especially hyper when you first come home. It can be a good idea to have a chair near the door through which you enter so that you can hang on to the back of the chair or sit in the chair until the dog expresses all his exuberance or seeing you back home again.